Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get a session code in TeamViewer. In order to do so, here we are in TeamViewer, and the first place that you can get a session code is up here. If you see, I've just got it blocked because this is my primary session code, but you should see a session code and a password here. So that is the first place that you can get a session code that you can send somebody, and you can send the password as well. However, what you may wish to do is create a new session. So let's go ahead and click here where it says new session. And this is going to generate an original session code. And you can do a couple things here. If you want to send the session code to somebody, you can do that. But an easier way of going about it may be to just send the session link. And as you can see, the session code is embedded in the session link. So if you just copy that and send that, then you can just send that to whoever it needs to go to, and they can join your meeting. We'll go ahead and click Start here. And now you can see that we're waiting for our participant. Again, we have our session code here, and you also have the link here as well. So you can just copy that and send that, and that is how you can get your session code to send to your participant. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.